My name is Charlie Morgan, and I am the founder of Vault Motor Storage,
Laura Morgan, he builds them, I run them.
primarily developing commercial properties and focusing on vehicle storage, boats, cars, motorcycles, golf carts.
And RVs. Our niche is really RVs.
Yep. I go back to circa 2012 when we decided we were going to build a building, and through the power of the internet I was able to discover Olympia. I was very impressed with their website, very impressed with their videos, very impressed with everything. Unfortunately, I dealt with the owner of the company, Arnold Davis. Because of my background developing, him and I had a lot of synergy, so he was just wonderful to work with. From the time that we place the order to the architects of the footprint, generally it takes about 3 months time frame for them to be ready to deliver. Not to put a feather in their cap, it's been flawless. Very, very meticulous. Their office is constantly in touch. Do you want to push it off for a week or 2 weeks or a month? So they're very cooperative, because there's a lot of logistics that got to be considered here. The building can't come too early and it can't come too late, but generally synergy's been excellent.
The other part was, the building part, but the office, the communication with the office, the invoicing, the change that made, you can follow those changes, which are also reflected in invoices and the shipping slips. It's just so well organized. Communication, and you can always ask for a question to be answered, and they're like, we can answer that question. So
the buildings have held up impeccably, okay? We have had no issues with any type of flaws. The wind hasn't blown off any roofing. The siding is not blown off. Nothing has moved. I would say that the engineering and the product is second to none.